Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to activate Klarna on Stripe. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for stripe.com. Log in with your credentials and once you are in, go to the top right side of your screen. You will see the settings option. Click on that. Now look for the payments option. Once you are in the payments option, look for the payment methods. Click on the tab and you will see here several payment methods. Now look for the Klarna option and activate or toggle it. That's it. Klarna is now enable offering your customers the convenience of buy now, pay later option. And if Klarna does not appear or needs approval, contact Stripe supports. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.